This is the fan, which arrives as this rather chunky disc, but then it opens out rather ingeniously in my opinion. So that now has become a desk fan. You can adjust the angle forwards, but you can also tilt it backwards, and it's completely stable on its base, which also has non-slip strips. It's rechargeable via micro USB and has 3 speeds. But it's not just a desk fan, because it can also extend into pretty much a pedestal fan. So now quite a tall pedestal fan, infinitely adjustable in its height, so ideal for anywhere in the home or even outdoors, in a pet environment or in a bedroom overnight. It has 3 operating speeds, 1, 2 and 3, plus also a breeze mode. Very low noise, but as you ramp it up it does make more noise then, although still quite a low hum at the moment. Now on top speed it's much more noisy, and then there's the breeze. So it's off, surge, off, then another surge. In my view, this is a really impressive fan because of the way it's designed and the way it folds up. It makes it very compact, very portable, but also because of the micro USB charging and its own internal battery, it's also good for pet households where pets might otherwise chew the cable, which is certainly an issue here with house rabbits. So I'm really keen on this, absolutely love it, and it's made a huge difference to me during our heat wave.